You're about to take a shower. You pull up the pull rod and notice the shower is no longer working. In this video, I will show you how to get your shower working again by replacing the spout diverter. If you look under the spout, you can see the diverter. Pulling up on the pull rod allows the diverter to block the water to the spout and instead divert it to the shower head. In order to remove the spout diverter, it's best to first remove the spout itself. In order to remove the spout, you will need to remove the set screw that holds the spout in place. Different spouts will have different set screws, either Phillips, standard, or Allen screws. Identify the screw and location and then remove it. Once you remove the set screw, I like to wrap a towel around the spout for more leverage and then turn it counterclockwise while pulling away from the shower wall. Continue to turn counterclockwise until the spout is completely removed. You may need to remove the plumber's tape and add new tape. Again, here you can see how the diverter works. When you pull on the rod, it blocks the water from coming out of the spout. The pressure of the water keeps the diverter in that position, diverting the water to the shower head instead. There are many diverter kits. Here I'm using the Danco Tub Spout Diverter Repair Kit. This kit will work for most spouts. However, some spouts will need a kit from the manufacturer of the spout. You can see here, this Danco diverter will not work on a Kohler spout. These kits consist of a pull rod, gate, which is the white piece, and the seal or gasket, which is the black piece. It's important that you read the directions, as some seals are placed in the gate in different positions. Some seals will have the large opening facing away from the diverter wall, while others will face the wall itself. You need to check the directions on how your seal should be inserted and which way it should be facing. You can see how this works. The seal goes in the diverter wall and the pull rod attaches to the diverter. For this job, you will need needle nose pliers, some plumber's tape, and optional silicone grease, as well as the diverter kit itself. With the needle nose pliers, go ahead and grab on the diverter wall and pull it out gently while pressing down on the rod with your other hand. You might need to wiggle a little, but it should come out. Note that you might be able to do this without removing the spout by going under the spout and removing the diverter. I find that removing the spout itself makes it easier to work on. Once it's out, you can inspect the spout. Most of the time, the shower stops working because the diverter seal is broken or there is corrosion on the spout, not allowing the seal to completely be flushed against the spout. If you have corrosion on the spout, you can sand off any rust bubbles in order to make the seal sit flushed up against the spout. Sometimes the issue is with the seal itself, as it might be worn out or broken and needs replacing. If the spout is too corroded and the hole is too big, you will need to replace the actual spout itself. I will be using the plumber's silicone, but this is optional. I think it helps to seal the wall and sit closer together, making it a tight seal. Again, it's important that you read the directions on which way the seal faces. With the Danco diverter kit, the seal's smaller opening will face towards the spout opening, not the gate wall. I'm adding the optional silicone to the gasket to make it seal better. If you have corrosion on the spout, go ahead and use a piece of sandpaper now to sand it off before inserting the new diverter. Now put the pull rod through the spout and hold it with one hand. Insert the diverter and press down with your other hand. You will hear a click when the pull rod is attached to the diverter wall. Go ahead and test it before putting the spout back. Make sure it slides up and down with no issues. If you need to add plumber's tape, do so now. This will help with leaks and make sure the spout is tight and not loose. Slowly start to screw the spout back on the pipe clockwise or to the right. Once the spout is touching the wall, pull the spout away from the wall and continue to tighten it until it's secure and facing the right direction. Once it's facing the right direction, go ahead and put your set screw back. Now let's go ahead and test our shower. We pull on the rod and the water should be diverted to the shower head. Initially, you might need to pull the rod a few times in order to get rid of trapped air. Now you should have a working shower again and can enjoy a nice warm shower. Thank you for watching my video. If this has been helpful to you, please leave a comment, put a like, and subscribe. And check out my channel for more videos. Thank you.